Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to a wish list in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now of course you have to search for an item that you would like to add to your wish list, because sometimes we do not have the time to buy that item in that moment when we see it, or maybe we just want to check it out, the reviews and more information about that product later, so you can add the product to your wish list. Of course, here at the top of the screen you can see the search option: man, woman, home, jewelry, and so on, and you can type in exactly the name of the product, or you can upload a photo and then search on based on that photo. So just for example, I'm going to show you here this item, and at the top of the screen you can see the heart button or icon. Click on it, and now it's added to the wish list, and you can see that it's here, and later on in this way you can check it out and maybe buy it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.